Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out one of CIVIVI's newest folding EDC knives. This is the Over Yonder. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CIVIVI and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CIVIVI for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. And now with the blade open. And here's a look at them vertically next to each other, so you can compare the thickness of the knife next to the diameter of the pen. And now with the blade open. And let's take some rough measurements here with the blade closed, coming in at right around 4¼ inches. Overall length with the blade open, just about 7½ inches. Let's have a look down on top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. Here is the thicker side, and it looks to be just a little bit slimmer than that. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Ooh, coming in at 3 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 3 ounces might feel like in your hands or your pocket, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs just a little bit less than that. The Over Yonder is going to be available in 2 colors right now. There's a dark green canvas micarta with a black stonewash blade. But this right here is the aluminum foil G10 with a satin finish blade. That is a great color combination. Now, if the Over Yonder is a little bit too much blade and handle for you, they do have the smaller version called the Yonder. But that right there, I think, is the perfect EDC size. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. The first one are these dual thumb studs. You can either just dig your thumb in here and rotate the blade around, or with a little bit of practice, you can flick it open. Or you can pull back on the crossbar locking mechanism, flick it open, and release. The opening action on this knife is incredibly quiet, smooth, and silky. The blade is pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. Your locking mechanism and your blade release is a crossbar lock. Really secure locking mechanism, accessible from both sides of the knife. All you're going to do is pull it back. The blade is going to release. And this notch right here is going to keep swinging around and rotate and engage the crossbar lock. It's going to slide forward. To disengage the blade, all you're going to do is pull back on the crossbar locking mechanism. The blade will swing down. And you can close it up. Let's have a look up front at this gorgeous spay point blade. Starting off over in the thumb ramp area. Right, we got some jimping here starting on the liner that extend over to the thumb ramp of the spine. And turn that sideways so you guys can see how aggressive that is. There's those peaks. Feels pretty good. This is CIVIVI's version of a spay point blade. Now, normally the ones I've seen have a flatter edge on the bottom and are a little bit more stubby in the front. But this one gives us a nice curve here for slicing and a beautiful satin finish. This blade has a small sharpening choil down here at the bottom to help you sharpen the entirety of this edge. Pretty much a flat grind, right? No curvature here, right up to the shoulder. Flat grinded blades are very easy to sharpen and maintain. Steel type being used is an awesome Swedish steel, 14C28N. 14C28N is a high carbon stainless steel with about 14% chromium, so your corrosion resistance is going to be really good. It's got great toughness and is known to be very easy to sharpen and maintain and can take a nice, crisp, sharp edge. Gonna bring you guys in nice and close so you can check out these absolutely stunning aluminum foil G10 scales. Gonna tip it sideways so you can check out the texturing. Pretty much smooth. But look at the marbling on that pattern. Look how it catches the light. Man, that is a stunner. Great color contrast between the satin finish of the blade and the full stainless steel liners. That is a handsome knife. Speaking of those liners, let's have a look down inside of the handles here to check it out. Whoa, look at that. I haven't seen that pattern of skeletonization on CIVIVI knives, but that is a lot of steel that's being removed there. And maybe that's why this knife only weighs about 3 ounces. Having a look now at the back of the knife now, we've got just 2 polished standoffs that really give this knife a nice, clean, finished look. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. Nice, compact, simple design. Going to turn it sideways so you can check out the profile. Deep carry. It is reversible to the other side, and I like the way that they've milled in the plate that's flush with the scales. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. Absolutely vanishes. Let's talk about the grip dynamics of this knife. How does it feel in your hands? All right, this is a relatively thin, lightweight knife for its size. The grip profile is as neutral as it gets. It's flat on the top, flat on the bottom. Easy to get 4 fingers on here. When you get it in your hands, you know, it's not curvy, it's not comfortable, but it's not uncomfortable. A very neutral, well-balanced, lightweight knife. All right, let's check out the edge on this sweetest steel. Got some paper here. Let's try some nice slow cuts. Nice and smooth, no toothiness. Let's try it on some 550 paracord. Easy going. And let's close it up with a little bit of cardboard cutting. Nice. Once again, guys, this has been the Over Yonder from CIVIVI. Thin, lightweight design is going to carry real nice in the pocket. And have a look at those aluminum G10 scales. If you're looking for an attention-getting EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CIVIVI, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.